Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 12th of December. And for this, we're off to our South African newsroom now to join Daily FX and Warren Venketas, who's with us with a look at an event to watch out for and trade next week. Warren, good to speak to you. What do you got for us?
Morning, Jeremy, and thanks for having me. So the risk event for next week centers around the Bank of England as well as the Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. And subsequently, I'll be looking at the pound dollar currency pair. But just a bit of backdrop before this, starting with the Fed. They've been pretty much divided into two camps, doves and hawks. Doves have been spurred on by softening inflation on all fronts, including CPI, PPI, as well as core inflation. On the other hand, we have hawks who have more recently garnered some support from tight labor market in the US after the non-farm payroll beat last week. More recently, the ISM services print earlier this week. ISM services is quite important for the US economy as they are primarily service driven, and that gives you a good gauge of the overall health of the US economy. So if you look at the daily chart on screen, we can see cable is trading at close to overbought levels, not quite there yet. There is slightly more room for pound appreciation, but I think that could be capped around that 1.2407 swing high. Similarly, we're seeing price action trade within rising wedge formation, which I've highlighted in black, and that generally points to subsequent downside. We've also seen no real conviction above that 200-day simple moving average from bulls. So what I'll be looking for is a candle close below that 200-day simple moving average, which should coincide with wedge support, and that could open up subsequent downside towards your 1.2 and 1.9 psychological levels.
Warren, thanks so much indeed. That's the risk event for the week starting Monday, the 12th of December. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.